Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, guys, you know that I am traveling right now and I forgot my charger, so I have to do this quick update on Bitcoin. We can all see that $19,000 is retesting still. This is a support that we've been bouncing off a couple of times. You can see the big drop that we did have. If this weekly candle is closing like a doji against the support at 19,000K, this could be the beginning for the market to pull back even more to the upside. And what we're doing is that we drag the Fibonacci from 22,800 back down to 18,078, which gives us Fibonacci levels between $20,478 and $21,072. If we go down to the lower time frames, you can already see how the market tried to break the level, and we're right now creating another higher low. So we can drag another Fibonacci from 18,107 back up to 19,494. That gives us Fibonacci levels between 18,633 and 18,394. So we can see the market pull back down a little bit more, because we can also see that we do have this hanging man. This is a bearish reversal pattern that we have, but if we see the market pull back down to this level and we have the rejection, that can be the beginning for the market to break inside the support again, because remember now that can be the doji. So we just might have a drop in the beginning of the week and then see the market have the momentum up again. We've seen the market always, when the market is retesting the support, the market is trying to fake us out with a move to the downside, and a lot of people think the market will be short, but then it turns out that we have to pull back up to retest another Fibonacci level. We've been talking about this one for a long time, and we're using the previous lower high combined with the break and the lower low, which gives us the 50 and the 61% based on these two targets to create the next target for us to reach. On the lower time frames will of course look like we are having big momentum, but you'll see how the market will create higher highs and higher lows until we reach these levels. And as I always talk about, this can be where the market then slowly and steady drop. But the bearish scenario, if we see the market break down and we're breaking below 18,395 and we create it as another lower high, that can be the beginning for the market to drop too. I am overall bearish, but I can definitely see us being bullish a couple of days or so. Or if we fail to do that, because everything depends on how this weekly candle does close. Do we close with a doji inside of the support, or do we close below it? Because if we're closing below the support, that's a whole different thing. That just might be where we see a breakout and retest of the support around $19,000. Don't forget that you can also receive the best bonus available right now on Bybit, up to $4,380. Bybit is a great platform when we hold the positions for a longer time and we have very low fees. And we all know about when it comes to cryptocurrencies, there's so many high fees, and that is why Bybit is one of the best platforms that we can use. Thank you guys so much for looking at this video together with me. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I have my daily updates. And let me know in the comments below, what do you think will happen to Bitcoin right now? Do you think that we will pump up to the higher time frames Fibonacci that I spoke about, or do you think that we will continue with the drop from the support right now?